When we talked about quadratic inequalities, I referred to things called critical numbers. These are the numbers that divided up our number line into the different intervals that we could consider to figure out which ranges of values satisfied our inequalities. For quadratic inequalities, we got these numbers from factoring, and depending on what rational expressions we have, that may be the case as well, but we can generalize about it. We remember that for quadratic inequalities, we found our critical values by figuring out which values of x would cause the quadratic expression to equal 0. And we basically have the same requirement for rational inequalities, except that this time we have one polynomial divided by another polynomial. So we have two different sources of critical numbers. In either case, whether we're talking about the numerator or the denominator, we'll come up with a critical value for every value of x that will make either one of those 0. Considering this method for finding critical numbers, what critical numbers do you find for this inequality that we were just talking about? If you happen to find more than one critical number, then please separate them by commas.